people come up with, I think, whenever one policy is introduced, the hackers or fraud makers are working on that, and they find out their own solutions, how to hack the money or how to deceive the customers.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. So yes, I guess we had a session some 5, 6, 5, 4
One
days,
session.
2 days back. Yes, right, right. Okay, that's great. So before we begin with the session, do you have any doubts, anything that you want to ask?
Uh, Let us continue.
Yes, okay, definitely. So today's topic, are you aware of today's topic?
Today's topic is future.
It is about future. But before we move on to that, we have some extempore topics as well. So I'll just give you both of the topics as we have, and you can pick or choose to speak on any one of them or on both of them as you wish, right? Okay.
Okay, great.
The topics are tricky situations often have simple solutions. Tricky situations often have
Open.
simple solutions or banking frauds. Banking frauds.
I will first come up with banking frauds.
Fine.
Uh, Banking frauds are increasing, and though RBI is taking so many steps to control or to find out, nowadays cyber crimes are also increasing. People come up with, I think, whenever one policy is introduced, the hackers or fraud makers are working on that, and they find out their own solutions, how to hack the money or how to deceive the customers, I think. But nowadays strict norms are implemented, and the banks are trying to make aware of the things through so many social media or messages or emails. Still we find common man is becoming prey to that, and they are getting deceived, or they are losing their money in many of the situations. If they get the message, because uh, people mindset is like that, they try to get or earn easy money. What I feel is, because of that they attempt so many things, even if so many warnings are given to them.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
sufficient. I think. You
So,
just
I so
correct.
what are the kind? Yes. So, what are the kind of this thing? What do you say? What are the kind of frauds have you heard?
Her means a person getting a message that his or her friend is in a difficult situation in some far away country, and facing crunch of money, and asking, giving some clues of he's so near to one, like that, and they transfer the money immediately. Or some messages they will get in such a way that open this, you have won the lottery, or you have won immediately after giving your number, so much of money will be transferred to you. Such things are happening, and just in very in short, few days back I read in newspaper that a primary teacher also got
Hmm.
lost his money. Means educated people also fall prey to this attractive
Hmm.
offers, I think we can say.
Lucrative offers. Hmm.
Lucrative, correct. Lucrative offers.
Hmm. Hmm.
Such
Hmm.
kinds are going on.
Definitely, actually.
Mm,
So that
mm.
is one of the drawbacks that we have as a result of the advancement in the field of technology. Although it is
Technology.
helping us in the
Mm,
banking sector, but
mm,
still, on the other hand, we can see these
mm.
scammers and fraudsters making or exploiting the loopholes in the system, some or the
Yeah,
other
correct,
manner.
correct. That's what I wanted to point out. I did not get the words. exploiting the loopholes. It is the correct.
Right.
Yes.
So yes, yes.
Mm.
I had one of my student actually. She was from Mumbai, and she was
Mm.
also a banker. So she just mentioned that in her bank there was this one priority customer, who of
Mm.
course priority customer in the sense he might have a huge corpus of money with the bank.
Bank.
So he lost 2.4 cr
Oh my God. Huh.
because of this, and it was not a kind of a, I mean, in the heat of the moment he did something like that. No, it was something that he did over a period of time. Like the bankers, the people in,
Continuously. Mm. Mm.
yes,
Mm.
the people in the bank actually were warning him,
Mm.
try to
Mm.
warn him that okay, do not send money
See.
to this account, it seems to be fictitious or it seems to be
Fictitious.
suspicious, so
Mm.
do not do that. But still he did not agree because he was swayed by the claims of that insurance, person calling from the other end, like your money will triple after this in this time. So
Mm. Ah,
he just
such
went into
offers
it.
are, yes, yes. Such offers are there. You will get double the money within a short period, or it will be tripled in a very short time
mm,
span, like
mm,
that. So they are very good at offers, attractive
mm,
offers. They will come with.
mm.
They come up.
Hmm. 2.2 C 4 CR is a huge sum. How come the
That
person
means
been
all earnings.
completely, completely? Yes, yes. So yes, now we have the topic on future. So what do you think? What will the cities look like 50 years from now in terms of anything, transportation, shopping, building, pollution, crime, anything?
Transportation will be totally get transformed. What I feel.
Transformed,
Huh.
transformed.
Because of electric vehicles
Hmm.
and smart vehicles without driver or like that. Roads will also be nowadays because of that Google Map and everything. It is very easy to find out any building or anything, na? Address. That will be transport and more congested also it will become. Everyone will have vehicles, what I feel, because poverty line, I think it is diminishing different
Hmm.
bit. And about the buildings is one of the essential need of person, means to have a shelter. So as population increases, more and more heighted buildings will come up, means even in small towns, nowadays we are finding malls also, and four-storied building, 4 to 5 storied buildings, and surely everywhere um, more buildings and more automated, means with lift and everything, means technology oriented, means you can find out who is there at your door, like that. All that facilities will be there, I assume with that.
Hmm.
And what you said, crime,
Pollution. Did we talk
pollution,
about pollution? Hmm.
pollution will be there. Pollution means imbalance of nature, means for more building they will cut the trees. So that what I can say, rains and all these things will get disturbed. Water scarcity will be there. Electricity scarcity will be there. Surely, if we are not, if now from nowadays, at least what I understand is our elder people are not understanding, we elder, but small children learn at their early childhood, and they are telling us, don't put the tap open, and means close this one and put the mask, like this. They are learning, means and cleanliness also they are aware of that. In school, means the age, proper age is to teach them at that means earlier age, then it will be cultivated in their throughout their life. For pollution and maintaining the balance of nature also, we should teach the children at their school level only. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, if I start teaching a old man who is spitting on the road, he will never listen.
Mhm.
1 minute he will say yes, and moving from away from me, again he will do the same. They are habited to do that in
Habituated.
sorry, habituated to do that in India.
Mm. Right, this is a huge problem,
Hmm. Hmm.
actually. Self awareness is a huge problem, first of all. And the
Hmm.
second thing is, since the audience is such that doesn't do anything without being penalized for it, so I guess there should be
Penalized.
some charges levied on these
Hmm.
people who do such sort of, things which actually causes the environment to be dirty or something, right? So, like for
For
example, yes, please
for
go on.
for breaking rules also you should be
Exactly.
penalized. Once I was in Sri Lanka at
Hmm.
morning 2:30. We
Hmm.
were coming from airport to we are going to hotel.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
I found it surprising. A cycle, who was rider,
Hmm.
riding the cycle, he was also waiting for the signal. There was no traffic, but Sri Lanka being a small country, there they are following the traffic rules so strictly. But in
Hmm.
India, what happens? No one is there. Chalo, jai. They
Hmm.
are breaking the rules. Means 2:30, no policeman, nothing was there. But all were waiting and following the road signals.
Hmm.
Means it should be from because there are heavy. I think what you said fine.
Habituated.
No, heavy fines.
Okay,
Heavily,
penalized. Yes, they should be.
heavily fined.
They are
Huh?
they are levied the charges. They are levied the
With
fines
the
for that.
charge. Ah,
Hmm.
here we are just announcing the heavy fines, but no one is implementing
Hmm.
and are following also.
Hmm. Nowadays, actually, this is a little bit improved, I would say.
Mm, mm,
We are getting to see that every traffic signal usually
mm.
have the security cameras
Correct,
as well,
correct.
right? So
Right.
one knows it
Immediate.
very well,
Yes,
right?
correct. But
Hmm.
for that, corruption should be stopped. Then only it will be
Definitely.
possible. Definitely.
Corruption is a root cause of everything,
Correct.
especially the development.
Development.
So yes, yes, we know that yes, in India, especially when we talk about corruption, so the corruption is actually made the country go at least go backwards, right? It
Yeah.
is just yes, taking the
Backwards.
country push backwards.
What we can say, it is from inside damaging the whole
Mhm.
progress.
Making the country hollow from within.
Hollow from inside. Correct. Damaging the progress.
Definitely.
Yes.
100%. So
Yes.
this is what. But yes, I can say that at least the traffic, this thing has improved, and it has
Improve.
improved for one reason. Why? Because the government needs money.
Yeah.
Because the
Yeah.
government knows it very well that there are
Very well.
many
Uh,
people who are going to not abide by the law. So I mean, the government can actually extract money from the people. That's the reason it implemented.
yeah.
Look at the potholes, right? Look at the poor condition of the roads. The government does
Yeah.
nothing to, mend them. Why?
No, not at
Why
all
is it
worrying.
taking so much of taxes and money from the people, but it is not doing anything to work for
Mm,
the welfare of the people in the manner that it can actually repair the roads, but it
yes.
doesn't do that.
It
So,
is not doing. In
hmm,
foreign countries, they charge heavy this thing fines, but
hmm,
they provide very good roads also
exactly.
and indicators and all properly. From I have observed very nice arrangement actually
Hmm, hmm. Japan,
facility.
you would go to Japan, you wouldn't
Japan
even, I mean, you would be amazed at uh, how systematic they are in terms of how the things are being managed. And now
managed.
it has become completely automated as well. Earlier it
Happen.
was just systematic, now it's also automated. And this, I
Yes.
mean, in making the entire country so very automated and systematic, the government needs to be very stringent
Very,
and very,
very strong.
particular about it,
Yeah.
right?
All.
So that's what. Hmm.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's more than a dream for us actually, for
Yes.
everything to
No,
be.
that bullet and bullet train and is coming now. They should
Mm-hmm.
follow the proper rules. I saw wherever the opening is there, there only exactly that door comes. Means that bogie door
Okay.
comes. Not here. No, they put the indicator that bogie number 14, bogie number 16. But whenever actually train stops, we have to run
Mm-hmm.
forward or some
Yeah, yeah,
backward
yeah.
also. Yes,
Correct,
correct.
correct. Yeah, actually, it doesn't, okay, it doesn't align with whatever that is
System.
being mentioned.
Another.
Yeah, correct,
There is
correct. It
proper
doesn't align.
alignment is there. And
Mm-hmm.
when it stops, then only that doors open. Means for
Mm-hmm.
passengers to get in. If
Mm-hmm.
we are, suppose if we are waiting on platform doors also will open at the same time whenever the train stops.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
that's great. And even, Japan's bullet trains are known for its discipline and
Discipline.
its, arrival on time. So
Yeah,
if it's actually, if it's even late by 1 or 2 minutes, it'll have to apologize to the entire, mass of people that were
people.
traveling.
Entire mass
Correct.
of people, yeah. And they're so polite and so humble, na.
Mm.
Whenever TC comes, he bows like this, and
They bend.
and while going also, even if you are observing him or not, but they
Hmm.
follow proper
Their,
this thing, their
mm.
rules,
Their culture, actually, they don't forget
their
the
culture,
roots. Hmm.
culture.
Hmm.
Yes.
That's the reason people in Japan hardly speak in English. They don't follow others' rules.
We have to take help of their translators. In
Exactly.
every hotel, there is one lady there or the one uh, boy with the nameplate like that, English
Okay.
translator like that. We have to search and we have to ask them. Means
Have you been
otherwise,
to Japan?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I have been.
Oh, wow, that's great.